So yeah, let's balance this chemical equations. A Na2O plus H2O to give NaOH. So now how can we balance this chemical equation? Remember, I said to balance a chemical equation, you start with the side with the highest atom. So how many atoms do you have here? So I have 2 sodium here and 1 oxygen, that is 3 atoms. I have hydrogen and oxygen here, but remember, I usually balance hydrogen and oxygen last, and I will do hydrogen before oxygen, so I will ignore that. I have 1 sodium here, 1 oxygen and hydrogen. So I will start with this side. This is the highest atom here because I have 2 sodium. Remember, in any balancing here, balance hydrogen or oxygen last and then do hydrogen before oxygen. Watch the previous video to understand better. So now, how many sodium do you have here? 2. How many sodium do you have here? 1. I'll just put 1 at the back so the sodium is balanced. So if sodium is balanced, how many hydrogen do you have here? 2 times 1, 2. How many hydrogen do you have here? 2 is also balanced. How many oxygen do you have here? 2. How many oxygen do you have here? 2. 2. So everything is balanced. So the second one, KClO3 to give KCl plus O2. So yeah, start with the side with the highest atom. So I have this one, we have the highest atom. So how many potassium do you have here? 1. How many potassium do you have here? 1 is balanced. How many chlorine do you have here? 1. How many chlorine do you have here? 1, also balanced. So how many oxygen do you have here? 3. How many oxygen do you have here? 2. So to balance this oxygen, I'll just add 3/2 here. Remember, I said you can balance with fraction. So we can balance with fraction is allowed. So that means everything is balanced now, because this 3/2 O2 is like saying 3/2 times 2. 2 will cancel out, so that is 3. So that is 3 oxygen there. So how can you now remove this 2? So you are going to multiply everything here by 2. So this will be 2 KClO3 to give 2 KCl plus 3 O2, because these 2 will cancel the 2. So now everything is balanced. So I have 2 potassium, 2 potassium, 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine, because this 2 is multiplying this. 3 times 2, 6 oxygen, and also 2 times 3, 6 oxygen. So everything is balanced.